Okay, hello everyone. This is HSK 1 vocabulary course, and I'm the teacher Liu from UN Chinese School. Every day we will learn 15 new words, and today is 16 to 30. Okay, so let's start. Now, first, let's review what we learned yesterday. Okay, now yesterday I have two homeworks. Did you do that? Now, first, let's look at this picture. Here are the answers. The first picture is a notebook, and the major word for the notebook is 本. So one notebook is 一本本子，一本本子。And the second picture, what is he doing? Yes, he is eating. So eat is 吃 And the third one, the little girl says no, and no is 不 And number 4, it is call someone. So call someone, we can say 打电话 We can say 我给你打电话，我给你打电话。And the last picture, that is a taxi. And how do you say the taxi? Yes, it's 出租车。出租车。Okay, well done. And the second exercise is to connect the words and into a phrase. The first word is 去。去 means go. So 去北京。去北京。And the second one is 中国。That can be China or Chinese. So it together with 菜 dish. So 中国菜 that means Chinese dish, Chinese food, 中国菜. And the third one is 八本 So 八 is 8. 本 is the major word for books. So 八本 we need a book. 书 8 books. 八本书 And the last one is 坐 That can be sit or take. So take a taxi. 坐出租车。And the second group, the first one is 吃。That is eat. So eat together with 米饭。That means rice. So eat rice. 吃米饭。Okay. And this one is I can be love or like to do something. So 爱学习 So I like study. 我爱学习 And the third one is 打 So we learn a word call somebody is 打电话 电话。And the last one is 大。大 means yes, big. Big. 那大 together with 杯子。杯子。Here is a 杯子。cup. 杯子。So 大杯子。That is a big cup. 大杯子。So 你做对了吗？ Are you correct? Okay. So that's the homework yesterday. Today we will learn number 16 to 30. Also 15 words. Now first, please read after me. Okay, from the first one. 点 o'clock. 点电脑 computer. 电脑电视 television. 电视电影 movie. 电影东西 thing. 东西都 all. 都读 read. 读对不起 sorry. 对不起多 many. 多多少 how many. 多少儿子 son. 儿子二 two. 二饭店 restaurant. 饭店飞机 airplane. 飞机分钟 minute. 分钟 Okay, so can you read them? Now let's learn the meaning and learn how to use them. The first one, 点 点 that means a clock. So we always ask 几点几点 that means what's the time? 几点 And you can answer, in this clock, it's 8 o'clock. It's 八点 8点 So 几点 8点 So can you tell me what time is now? 几点 And 在中国 in China is 3点3点 So 几点 Okay, 那sometimes we will plus now. So now is 现在现在 We can ask 现在几点现在几点 And the answer can be 现在3点现在3点 or 现在8点 现在8点. Okay, so that's for 点 o'clock. Now, next one, 电脑. 电脑, that means computer. Now, if you want to say one computer, that is 一台电脑。一台电脑。So 台 is the major word. Major word for computer or TV or other things. So 一台电脑 a computer. And how to say I have a computer? I have a computer. Yesterday we learned I is我 I 我。Now how to say have? Have is 有 So I have a computer. 我有一台电脑。我有一台电脑。Very good. How to say I have two computers? I have two computers. 我有两台电脑。Yes, correct. And how to say I have 5 computers? 5 is 五。So I have 5 computers as 我有5台电脑。我有5台电脑。But if I want to say I have no computers, I don't have computer. How to say I don't have computer? So have is 有 and don't have not is 没有。So I don't have computers. 我没有电脑。我没有电脑。I don't have computers, so I want one. I need to buy computer. Yes, and buy computer is 买电脑。买电脑。买 means buy. 买电脑。So I buy a computer. 我买电脑。我买电脑。Okay, very good. That is computer. 电脑。And next one is 电视。电视 that means television. 电视。So it's same. If you want to say one television, you need to say 一台电视。一台电视。So how to say I have one television? I have one television. Is 我有 一台电视。我有一台电视。I have one television. 我有一台电视。And I have a television, so when I'm boring, I want to watch television. So watch is 看。看。So watch television, watch TV, we can say 看电视。看电视。Watch television. 看电视。So can you tell me, do you like watch television? 你喜欢看电视吗？你喜欢看电视吗？Do you like watch television? 那 if the answer is yes, I like watch television. So that can be 我喜欢看电视。我喜欢看电视。And if the answer is no, I don't like watch television. Do you remember how to say don't like? Yes, yes. 不喜欢。不喜欢。So I don't like watch TV. 我不喜欢看电视。我不喜欢看电视。So can you tell me, do you like or dislike? Okay, so that is 电视电视。And next one, 电影电影 that is movie 电影。So watch a movie, we can say 看电影看电影。So 你喜欢看电影吗？你喜欢看电影吗？ Do you like watch a movie? I think maybe you will like. I like watch movies. 我喜欢看电影。And if you want to watch a movie, you need to go to the cinema, the movie theater. So that is 电影院。电影院。And go to a movie theater. It is 去电影院。去电影院。去电影院。去电影院。So, I like to go to a movie theater. Yes. 我喜欢去电影院。我喜欢去电影院。我喜欢去电影院。Okay, very good. And next one is 东西。东西。东西 that means things. So this one can be 东西。And this one also can be 东西。Also this 东西。The book 东西。 anything, we can use 东西. So if you want to go to the market, go to the store to buy something, we can say 买东西. Buy something. 买东西. So, do you like to buy something? 你喜欢买东西吗？ I like it very much. 我很喜欢买东西。我很喜欢买东西。Okay. So, next one, we can say, oh, this is yours. So, 你的东西 your things. 你的东西 So, is this yours? Is this yours? 这是你的东西吗？这是你的东西吗？ Is this yours? 这是你的东西吗？ So, yes, it's mine. So, 是我的东西是我的东西。If the answer is no, it's not mine. So not is, yes, it's 不。So 这不是我的东西。这不是我的东西。Okay, here is the question. This book, for this book, this one. 这是你的东西吗？这是你的东西吗？ This one. 这是你的东西吗？ Can you tell me the answer? 这是你的东西吗？ Yes, the answer is 这不是我的东西。这不是我的东西。Okay, very good. Now, next one. Next one. 都 means all. So here, do you remember what's this? The apple is, yes, is 苹果。苹果 apple 苹果。Do you like eat apple? 你喜欢吃苹果吗？你喜欢吃苹果吗？ Do you like eat apples? I think many people like eat apples. So if you like eat apples, I also like eat apples. And my friend, she like eat apples too. So we all like eat apples. You can say we. 我们都喜欢吃苹果。我们都喜欢吃苹果。都 is an adverb and it can plus a verb. So 喜欢 is a verb. So 我们都喜欢吃苹果。If the answer is I don't like eat apples, you don't like eat apples. She doesn't like eat apples. We all don't like eat apples. So the sentence will be 我们都不喜欢吃苹果。Yes, we plus 不that's like 不喜欢。我们都不喜欢吃苹果。Okay, that's good. Okay, now the second sentence. Is everybody here? So, 大家都到了吗？大家都到了吗？Is everybody here? Okay. And next one, 读 that means read 读 and he is reading a book. So read books, we can say 读书读书 So, do you like reading books? 你喜欢读书吗？你喜欢读书吗？ You like reading books? 你喜欢读书吗？ And if you like, you can say 我喜欢读书。我喜欢读书。And if the answer is no, I don't like reading books. So that we can say 我不喜欢读书。我不喜欢读书。Okay, so 读书读and sometimes maybe the teacher will say, can you read please? Can you read please? 你可以读吗？你可以读吗？ Can you read please? 你可以读吗？ So 可以 that means can can. So 你可以读吗？ Yes, I can. 我可以读。No, I can't. 我不可以读我可以读。我不可以读。Okay, 读 read. And next one is 对不起对不起。Yesterday we also learned this word 对不起 that means sorry. If you do something wrong, you need to say this one 对不起对不起。And another person, maybe he or she will say, it's okay, it's okay. 没关系没关系 So, 对不起没关系对不起没关系 How about thank you? Do you remember how to say thank you? Yes, that is 谢谢你谢谢你Thank you. And then you're welcome. 不客气不客气Okay, so 对不起没关系谢谢你不客气Okay, 好的 So, can you remember now? Next one, 多 that means many. So look at this picture. They are family, right? And there are many people in this family. A grade of quantity, we can say 很多 many 很多 So here is many people. People is 人 So many people we can say 很多人So can you tell me how to say book? How to say book? Book is, yes, it is 书 书 So many books is 很多书Can you think how to say many apples? Many apples. Yes, it is 很多苹果很多苹果 Many apples 很多苹果And if I want to say I have many apples I have many apples Yes, that is 我有很多苹果我有很多苹果 I have many apples. So here is a question. How to say I have many books? I have many books. Can you tell me the answer? The answer is 我有很多书我有很多书 Are you correct? Okay. And 多 that means many or much. And we also can use 多 to ask some questions. For example, 多大 we learned this word. That means big, right? Big. So 多大 together is that means how big? If you ask a person 多大 that means how old are you? How old are you? So we can ask 你多大你多大 That means how old are you? 你多大 So can you tell me how old are you? If you ask a girl in Chinese in China, they won't tell you. Maybe they'll say, that's a secret. That's a secret. Okay, 多大 how old? 多大 Now next one, we can use 多少多少 That means how many or how much. So 多少 as in this picture, how many people? 多少人多少人 And can you tell me how many people? Yes, 6 people. Yes, 6 people. That is 6. 6个人. Six is the number, and 人 is a noun. So between the number and noun, we need to use the measure word, and 个 is the measure word. So 6个人, 6 people. 6个人. Okay. 多少人？6个人。多少人？6个人。And if you buy something, maybe you need to ask how much is it? How much? Yes. 多少钱？多少钱？钱 in Chinese that means money. 钱 money. 多少钱？多少钱？多少钱？ And how much is a book? 书多少钱？ Yes. 书多少钱？ If you want to ask something how much, and that thing need to before how much. So 书多少钱？ or how much is the apple? 苹果多少钱？ Yes. 苹果多少钱？ Okay, very good. 苹果多少钱？ So 多少 can be how many and how much. Okay, now next one. 儿子，儿子 that means son. So in this picture, yes, they are a family, and in the family they have a son, a little boy. That is 儿子，儿子。And if my friend has 2 sons, the eldest one and the smaller one. So the eldest one we call 大儿子，大儿子。And the younger one, 大 is 小，小儿子，小儿子，小。So if you have 2 sons, you can say 我有2个儿子，大儿子和小儿子。I have 2 sons, the eldest son and younger one. So I have 2 sons. 我有2个儿子，大儿子和小儿子。But in this picture, this family, are they have 2 sons? No, right? It's a daughter and a son. So how to say daughter? Daughter is 女儿，女儿。儿子和女儿 son and daughter. 儿子和女儿。So how to say I have a son and a daughter? Yes, the answer is 我有一个儿子和一个 女儿，我有一个儿子和一个女儿，儿子 and 女儿。Okay, and next one is R. R. That is the number 2. R. And we can say the second DR, DR, and 20. 20. So how to say 20 people? 20 people. Yes, it's 20个人，20个人，20 people，20个人。Okay. And let's review how to count from 1 to 10. So let's try together. From 1 to 10. Yes. 一，二，三，四，五，六，七，八，九，and the last one is not 10. How to say 10? Yes, 十. And the last one is 0. How to say 0? In Chinese, 0 is 零. That is 0. 零. So 0, 零. Okay, very good. 好的. And next one is 饭店. That is a restaurant. 饭店. And if you want to say a restaurant, we need a measure word. Yes. And the measure word is this one. 家. So a restaurant is 一家饭店. 一家饭店. A restaurant. And tonight I don't want to cook. I want to go to a restaurant and eat. Go to a restaurant, we can say 去饭店 and eat. 吃饭。去饭店吃饭。去饭店吃饭。So, do you like to go to a restaurant? 你喜欢去饭店吃饭吗？你喜欢去饭店吃饭吗？Okay, and next one, 飞机。Do you remember this word? The airplane, 飞机. And take the airplane or by air, we can say 坐飞机。坐飞机。坐飞机。坐 that means take. 坐飞机。And if you want to take the airplane, you need the ticket, right? The ticket, we can say 飞机票飞机票 So, if you want to go another city or another country, maybe you need to take the airplane and you need to buy the ticket. Buy. Do you remember how to say buy? Yes. 买. 买. So buy a ticket. 买飞机票。买飞机票 buy the ticket 买飞机票 Okay and let's try other transportation. The first one we learned yesterday, the taxi 出租车出租车 and the train the train 火车and another one, the subway. My favorite, the subway. 地铁 and the last one, the bus. 公共汽车 So can you remember now? Okay, and the last word, 分钟 that means minute. So we can say several minutes, 几分钟 or it also can be a question like how many minutes 几分钟 and we can say 5 minutes 5分钟 5 minutes and can you tell me in this clock like that how many minutes here how many minutes from 12 to 2 how many minutes yes 10 minutes yes 10分钟yes 10 minutes 10分钟Okay, so that's all for the words. Let's review. Okay, the first word we learned is 点 means o'clock. We can ask, what time? 几点? Oh, it's 8 o'clock. 8点 And sometimes we can use 现在 now. What time is it? 现在几点 And another one is 电脑 The second one 电脑 computer And one computer is 一台电脑 And if I don't have computers, I want to buy one and buy computer is 买电脑 And the third word is 电视 And the same one television is 一台电视 And when I was boring, I always watch the television 看电视 And sometimes we also go to the movie theater and watch the movie. So movie is 电影 And watch a movie is 看电影 Where can you watch a movie? Yes, in the cinema 电影院 电影院。And next one is 东西。东西 that means thing. I can buy something. 买东西。买东西。And this is yours. 你的东西。Your things. 你的东西。And next one. 都 means all. 都 So I like apples, you like apples, she like apples. So 我们都喜欢苹果。我们都喜欢苹果。And next one is 读 that means read. Read books. 读书 And next one, if you do something wrong, you can say sorry. 对不起。And other people will say, it's okay. 没关系。So, 对不起，没关系。Okay. And next one, 多 means many. And how? So, many, we can say 很多。And how? We can ask, how old are you? 多大？你多大？And another, 多少 means how many, how much, how many people? 多少人 6 people. 六个人 And how much? 多少钱 And another one, son 儿子 The eldest son 大儿子 I have a son and a daughter. 儿子和女儿 daughter. And next one, R. That means two. The second, DR. And 20. 20. And next one, 饭店 That means the restaurant. At a restaurant, we can say 一家饭店 And I don't want to cook. I want to go to a restaurant and have a meal. 去饭店吃饭 And next one is 飞机 The airplane. Take the airplane. 坐飞机 If you take the airplane, you need a ticket. Ticket is 飞机票 The ticket. And next one, 分钟 means minute. 分钟 like several minutes. 几分钟 And 5 minutes. 5分钟 And 10 minutes. Yes, 10分钟 So that's all. Do you have any questions? If you have, you can ask me. So, okay. And here we also have 2 exercises. And you can do after the class. And I will give you the answer tomorrow. You can take a picture. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.